Hey guys, so this is a quick video, like what are the reasons why you shouldn't use the Xiaomi vacuum cleaner P30, like the kind of like the pros and cons of it. So the suction power is like very good and very insane. You have like 5-stage precise filtration, 40 minute long lasting battery, and it's like a very good product. But you have like short turbo mode battery. In turbo mode, only 10 minutes of cleaning time is possible. So 10 minutes and you're done. If you have a thick carpets or need a deep cleaning, or like let's say you have like bigger space, you need to be aware that you have to like recharge it. So this is the first thing. Only 200 milliliter capacity for bigger home, or let's say if you have a pets, like is not going to be sufficient and enough for actually like having all the dust into it. Okay. Another thing, you not for heavy duty carpet cleaning. This is very important. The suction numbers aren't class leading compared to like full size premium cordless vacuums. Also, no pistol grip. It does not have a pistol grip. Instead, the handpiece is extension of a suction tube. And maybe, I don't know if you're gonna like that, but to be aware of it. So it's for dry cleaning only, not for any liquids, and no wall mount or charging dock, and limitless accessories. This is limited accessories. This is another thing that you don't have much accessories with it. So that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope this video helped you, and have a great day and goodbye.